Top 5 Best DSLR Camera. Number 5. Canon EOS Rebel T7i. 24.2 MP sensor delivers images with incredible detail and sharpness. HDR movie and time-lapse movie recording capability. Incredible detail and sharpness image. 24.2 MP APS-C CMOS sensor. Full HD 1080p video at 60 fps. Please check out the description for details and update prices. Number 4. Canon EOS 80D. 24.2 MP APS-C CMOS sensor and Digic 6 image processor. 45-point all-cross type AF system and dual pixel CMOS AF. Expanded ISO 25600, up to 7 fps shooting. RGB and IR 7560 pixel metering sensor. Full HD 1080p video recording. Please check out the description for details and update prices. Number 3. Nikon D750. Full frame 24.3 megapixel CMOS image sensor. Tilting variangle LCD display. X-Speed 4 image processor. Full HD 1080p video recording. Built-in Wi-Fi connectivity. Please check out the description for details and update prices. Number 2. Canon EOS 6D Mark II. 26.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor. Optical viewfinder with a 45-point all-cross type AF system. Dual pixel CMOS AF with phase detection and full HD 60p. Digic 7 image processor. Variangle touchscreen. Please check out the description for details and update prices. Number 1. Nikon D500. Nikon D500 20.9 MP CMOS DX format digital SLR camera. 20.9 MP DX format CMOS sensor and X-Speed 5 image processor. Includes Nikon Deluxe digital SLR camera case. SanDisk Extreme Pro 64 GB. 4K video. Please check out the description for details and update prices.